Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious brownies from scratch. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, prepare a 9 by 9 inch baking pan by greasing it lightly and dusting it with cocoa powder or flour. This prevents sticking and ensures your brownies release easily. Having all your ingredients measured and ready makes the baking process smooth and enjoyable. We'll use common pantry staples for a delicious, fudgy result. Now let's get mixing. In a microwave-safe bowl, melt your 1/2 cup of butter. Once melted, pour it into a large mixing bowl and stir in your 1 cup of sugar until well combined. Then, crack in your 2 large eggs, one at a time, whisking thoroughly after each addition. Finally, add the 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. This creates a smooth, rich base for our brownies. It's time to bring it all together. Slowly add your sifted dry ingredients, the 1/2 cup of flour, 1/3 cup of cocoa powder, and pinch of salt to the wet mixture. Mix gently until just combined. Overmixing can lead to tough brownies. Pour the thick, chocolatey batter into your prepared 9 by 9 inch pan. Bake for about 25 to 30 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Patience is key for perfect brownies. Once baked, let them cool in the pan for at least 30 minutes or ideally for 1 to 2 hours. This allows them to set properly, making them easier to cut into neat squares. Use a sharp knife to cut them into 16 delicious pieces. These homemade brownies are wonderfully fudgy and rich, perfect for any occasion.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.